Okay, in this short tutorial here, I'm going to show how to add the VirtueMart review system to a shop here with VMuikit X installed. So let's just check the configuration. And in shop front, you have enabled, you have some settings, you can enable auto publish. I'm just going to do that for ease of use now. You set up like show review to everyone, enable review system. You can put it on shoppers who bought the product, but I've put it on anyone now for testing purpose. Show rating, show for everybody, etc, etc. You can set it up here, but I just want to show you this, that it's now turned on in VirtueMart. And now I'm going to add this to a product page. So I'm just going to pick any product here just to go into the template of the products, the VM product details template. And I'm going to go down here. Let's do a section. Let's add a normal text field and connect this to the rating system. I'm going to do VM products. And now I can select the where are your products review system. Now we have a review function there, and I'm gonna just style it a little bit. Perhaps we do max with small, so we get it a little. We can do extra small. It can be a little bit smaller. Let's also make this a little bit muted, perhaps. Yeah, then we get I'm padding small just to get it a little bit tight and nice here. There we go. So that's really all there is to it. And now I'm gonna add, so I'm gonna log in with a test account here. Just to show how it looks. I'm gonna go into a product, and now I have this function here. So I'm gonna give this full star. This is a test review with at least 100 characters of text so that the system will allow to post it. There we go. You need to have 100 characters to be able to do a review, to block some spam or just too short reviews. It's part of VirtueMart. And now I can submit review, and boom, it's submitted. And now there is a review showing on this page. So I have auto publish on now in VirtueMart, so that's why it's come there all the time. If you put it on, you need to confirm it first. You're gonna have the reviews showing up in VirtueMart in the products review ratings, and here you can see all the you can enable them, publish them or not, just to filter out anything spam like or so. And now I'm logged in. If I log out here again, you're gonna see that it doesn't say that text. Otherwise, that text there, dear test account, kind of you have done a review, but this is how it looks for other people that just look at their reviews. So that's all to it. It's very simple to add that. Thank you.